So this is the Euro Yen analysis for Monday. Well, sorry, not Monday, Tuesday, the 5th of December. Now, let's have a look what happened with price and where they're likely to go. So we did have the gap up at market open on Sunday. We did see prices coming to the resistance in around at 134, and 134 has held. As mentioned in previous videos, we are currently in a trading range on the Euro Yen. Lower end of the range being at 131.70, upper end of the range being at 134. Beyond 134, we've also got a mine level in around at 134.50. So 134 has held, and we've seen this retracement downwards. We have closed the gap in around at 133.50, around 133.45. Now, around 133.45. So we've seen a price come down. We've come down into that gap fill, and we've not retraced all the way down to the next key level in around at 32.83, or down where we did have this this likely news related candle here down at slightly below 133. So we've come down to this 132. We didn't come quite down to 132.83, went to the next major level, which is a weekly level of the potential pivot of support. Now we are at 33.45, which again is a weekly level. So if we do hold on to 133.45, we don't negate it, this level. We're looking for prices to trade all the way back up to 134. If we do trade above 134, we're looking to see our prices react to our 134.50, beyond which we are potentially looking for, just bear with me a second here, beyond 134.50. The next key level is all the way at 135.60, but we must be aware of that 135. We might see a reaction around 135. So again, if we do see retracement all the way up to 134, we're looking for potential sell side momentum to come back into the market, retracing all the way back down to 133.45. If we do successfully navigate, we're looking for 134.50. Again, we're looking for retracement back all the way back down to the 134, and after which we're looking for the key level in around at 135.60. Now, if we do see a breakdown from where we are at present at 133.45, we're potentially looking for price to come all the way back down to this 132.83, beyond which we do have the 200-400 period moving average. Again, you have to be aware of them. They're currently, let's just see where they are, the 200 and 400 period moving average. Just bear with me a second here. I'm just going to just see where they are. So the 200 and 400 period moving average is sitting at currently 32.71 and 32.63. So they're in and around that 32.83. Pretty close to that level, so we'll see how they react in around this level, where we do see some buy side momentum take us all the way back to 133.45, beyond which we're looking for that 134 and 134.50. Now, if we do see a successful navigation of the 200 and 400 period moving average, we're looking for price to come down to 132.02. This is the next key level before we get to the bottom end of the range in around at 131.70. So 131.70 will likely be the far end of the range here on the 5th of December, and to the upside, the far end of the range possibly being around at 135. Depending on market volatility. If we do get an extremely volatile market, 135 could come into focus, or 131.70. Overall, though, we might just see prices trading in around at 134 to 134.50, or in around this 132.50 to 132. So these are potential areas we're looking at, but we've already mentioned the key levels where we would likely see some buy side momentum come into the market in around this trading zone that we are. So we're looking for buy side momentum, potentially 32.83, 33.45. 34 for sell side momentum, 34.50, and possibly that 35 for more sell side momentum. Currently, depending on where prices head, whether it is to the upside or to the downside. Now, let's just have a look at the daily chart before wrapping up here on the Euro Yen. So if we head over to the daily chart, as you can see here, and we get the scaling on here correct. There we are. So as we can see on this daily chart, where it's pretty clear. We're in a bit of a trading range, as we can see, 134, and we've got 131.70. As we can see, prices have been oscillating within this zone. Now we've come to the top. We've come to the upper end of the zone, in around this 134. We've had two bearish days off there, so this might just be a retracement before we break out to the upside. So that's at 134.50. Beyond which we're looking for 135.60. Now, if we do see this further breakdown in prices, so we've had this. Let's see, we've had a move up, pull back, move up again. We might have a pullback, and then again we could potentially see prices break to the upside. And we've tested this upper end of the zone quite a few times. We've tested lower end of the zone quite a few times. We've not seen much give by either side, but overall, as we can see, if we look further back, the trend on the Euro Yen has been to the upside. So in all likelihood, we are likely to see a break to the upside if the current trend persists. Now, so yeah, so that's where we currently are. on the euro yen on the daily time frame. We're at the upper end of the range, potentially pull back before we see a break to the upside. And yeah, that's your euro yen analysis. Thanks for watching.